Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily English Talk. If you want to speak English confidently every single day, you're in the right place.
Stay with us for today's quick and fun English lesson. Just 50 seconds and your English will level up.
Mia, do you remember your favorite school subject?
Of course, it was English. I loved learning new words. What about you?
I was crazy about math, but honestly, I didn't enjoy studying until I learned how to study smart.
Oh, same. Many students think long study hours equal success, but actually, focus is more important.
Exactly. Study 30 minutes with full attention, phone off, notebook on.
And take short breaks. Your brain needs rest to remember better.
So the secret is not studying all day, but studying the right way.
And that is how you become a smart student.
If you want daily English lessons like this,
Like, share, and follow Daily English Talk.